Alright guys, what's up? How you doing today? Welcome to another Prime video. Today we're going to be doing a couple of things. We're going to be installing my brand new splitter, and I think it will look great on the car, but we're also going to make the car a little bit more convenient by installing these hood dampers that I am holding right here. As you can see right now, this abomination of a thing, and I don't understand why Subaru did not automatically put hood dampers on the hood. The trunk has them. Why not the hood? I don't know, but we're gonna be fixing that today. And not only is it gonna get this thing out of the way so we can work out on the car, it's gonna make it sit a little bit higher, so it'll make it easier to work on it, and I won't hit my head. So let's get to it. Here we go. We're gonna do two, of course. I finished one side. I didn't really want to show you the tutorial too much on how to do it because this is mainly a splitter install, but look at that. You gotta get this one out of here. This top bolt, that's a 12 millimeter, and then get one back here. This is the hard one, way back here. It's very hard to reach, way back there. That's where you put the bottom one. But that and that equals that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the second one, and we'll get to the splitter. First thing we gotta do is remove the bumper. A couple 10 millimeter bolts and a couple of clips you can undo with a screwdriver. Nothing crazy. There's some clips that you want to undo at the bottom, which I have no idea how I'm gonna get to because I'm pretty low. And then the ones on the side markers. So that removes the bumper. No, give us the clearance that we need to go ahead and drill the holes and get the splitter on. Got the bumper off, as you can see. Kind of rough. Not gonna lie, it was kind of a pain to get those bolts at the bottom out. I'm not even putting those clips back. We're gonna go ahead and install these splitters. It is why you need two people for this. Let's get to it.
A few moments later.
So guys, I am sorry that I have not been recording the process very much. This is very exhausting. I have gotten one hole drilled in the, so these two corner holes match the bumper exactly. So I've got to drill the rest of them though. I have drilled the front one and then put those on the corners because they came good. So I gotta do like 3 more here and 3 more there. I'm just taking a break. The sun was hitting me like from right there. You see it's going down. Oh, shout out. Once I put on the splitter on the bottom here, I'll find somewhere to put the rods on and we'll put the bumper back on and I'll show you what it looks like after. Here we are. We have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These two over here match perfectly. So it helped me align the rest of it. Everything else I have to drill. So the way I'm doing it, I did those first 2 to align it. I did the middle here to align it. And then I did these 2. Now we're gonna do these 2. And then I'm gonna do these 2. And then these 2 in the corners. So the total of 1, 2, 9, 10, 11 bolts or holes or whatever. And out of those 11, you have to drill 9. The perfect size that I found is 7 by 32. Is that how you say that? 7 by 32? Yeah. The perfect drill bit. It goes perfectly, nice and tight. Get it? Anyway, shout out to Pete Magic. He came through helping me out here. So let's get to it. And y'all be careful on this part. I got the daytime running lights and the fog lights, so you see over here. And let's get it. All right. What I'm doing is I'm manually screwing in the very top of it first, all the way down.
It's a workout.
Big washer goes on the bottom, little washer goes inside, and then the little nut goes after it. He's holding it down there with a 12 millimeter. And slowly, because this is an impact, so you want to do it slowly, you don't want to break anything. So. Good. Yep. Careful, look at this. Stripped. If you're not careful, now this is stuck there forever. So hopefully I'll have to get a whole new bumper.
Woo! Okay, yeah, 8, 4.
Light it, put it there.
It's in the middle.
Here's the finished product. It's a little dark, it's after night or whatever, so can't really see it very well, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like tomorrow in the daylight.